Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML. This is the section on tables. And when we made this tables page, the menu, it was missing our section on web graphics. So I want to fix that. And I want to add and make sure that all of them have a link to this tables page. All right, so we got to say href equals tables.html tables, close A. I think I made the same mistake last time. My close nav needs to be moved over here. Okay, that should be right, so we'll save that. Then we'll just copy this whole nav section. We'll put it on our HTML tags page, our what is HTML page, and our new tables page. Okay, I'm going to do File, Save All, so I don't have to go through and save all 4 of those. All right, and now we can check and see if it worked. Let's refresh. Okay, so what is HTML? HTML tags, web graphics, big picture of me, tables. All right. Oh, I know why that's so big. There we go. That looks a little better. Okay. All right. Okay. So now we've got our website menu working again. That was a little bit of an aside. It didn't have much to do with tables, but it needed to be in this section just to get everything caught back up. All right, thank you.